Hi, welcome back to my channel, Fabulously Frugal and Fancy. I'm Brandy. Here on my channel, we do all things frugal. We do DIYs, we do crafts, we do fashion, beauty, home products, tools, you name it, we do it if it'll save you some money. So I'm doing a product review today. This product review is on this Bissell Powerforce Compact Turbo. I needed a vacuum cleaner for upstairs in our bedroom because I don't want to carry the big vacuum cleaner up and down the steps. It's a little difficult. So I bought this one. Price point is about $50. Don't remember if it was a little under, a little over, but I remember it was around $50. I bought it just a few weeks ago and I've been trying it out. This is very lightweight. I can lift it with one arm, so I can carry it up and down the steps very easily. I will give this vacuum cleaner probably a 4 out of 5 stars. It does do what it says. It does pick up dog hair. As you can see, this is full here. The reason I'm not giving this a complete 5 stars, let me show you. So I use my vacuum cleaners also to clean up high, the cobwebs, the dust bunnies. This one, when you remove this part, the handle, it doesn't stay attached to the hose. You have to then pull the hose out and attach it to the handle to be able to use it this way. It's just an extra step that this is the first vacuum cleaner I've had. Most of them you just can do this and it stays attached to this. But if you do that normally, like this won't pick up off the floor if it's still attached to this. There's no connection in between. So it just makes it more of a pain. You just push the button and you pull this out, but it doesn't, you have to reattach it. It's just time consuming, and when I'm vacuuming the floor, I just like to be able to pull the wand out, vacuum up high, put it back in, finish the floor. Also, this attachment here that looks like a brush, it's supposed to pick up hair really well. It's a turbo brush. It didn't really pick anything up when it was attached to the hose. It just wrapped around there. It didn't really pick it up. So I don't like that attachment, and I don't like the fact that I have to reattach the hose to the handle up high. It's very easy to empty. Let me just show you. It says, I believe it says hands-free empty. It's not hands-free, but it is pretty easy. One hand, you can do it. You open the bottom, you shake it out. I'm not going to do it in here. I'm going to take this outside and empty it. I have been using it. Again, like I said, it does pick up really well. At first, you know, so I don't know how long lasting this will be. It was lower on the price point. I think the price point is good for this kind of vacuum. It's a lightweight. Whoops, let me get it all the way on the table there. It's lightweight. It's easy to pour it up and down the steps if you have to. I liked it because I wanted a small one for upstairs, our bedroom, and the little dressing room area without having to bring up our big vacuum cleaner. So this Bissell, again, it's called the Powerforce Compact Turbo from Bissell, and I give this a 4 out of 5 star rating. So again, I like the vacuum and it does pick up. I just don't like the attachments or the fact that I can't just pull it out and go up high, put it right back in, finish vacuuming. I have to actually stop, pull the hose out, reattach it. It's just a couple more steps. It's doable, but it is more of a pain in the butt to do. So I give this one a 4 out of 5 stars. Bissell, if you are listening, make it to where it's just one pull out, easy reach up high to get those cobwebs and dust bunnies. I would be perfectly happy with it. But it is good for the money that you spend for it, about $50 price point. I got mine at Walmart. I will link it below. And if you are interested in picking one up, a lightweight, small vacuum, this is the one for you. I really think it picks up really well. It does clean up the floor and it cleans it up really well. So again, worth the money. I believe worth the money that you spend for it. So on that note, I'm going to tell you to have a blessed day. I hope that you have a wonderful, whatever day of the week this is for you. It's Tuesday here, so I hope you have a blessed day, and I hope you do something fabulous today. So you be blessed. Bye.